So this is showing the amount of water we got in the basement. Got water pretty much around the entire interior here. Got most of the stuff up and out of the water. Lost a couple sheets of drywall. It's all the way through here. Water all the way through our laundry room. The bathroom is coming in good through the under the shower here, so that's going to get pulled out. And under this gym flooring, pretty much the entire thing is just one big water bed right now. You can see the ripples from the water. And you can see the water along the edge here. And this guest room. It's hollow in the closet. That door's sticky, so that trim must have sucked up water, so it's hard to shut. And water seems to be deepest kind of over in this part of the wall, and so it's just a little lower. So yeah, all this trim, all this flooring, pretty much the whole basement has somewhere between ½ inch to an inch of water.